Hey guys, it's Zapparoli here, not again because I have been away for quite some time, I know that. But as you guys can see, I have a new scenario. Turns out that I have moved to a new apartment. And you guys know how moves are, they are quite tiresome. So here I'm back. I still did not finish set up everything correctly, so maybe my audio is a bit off and my scenario is not the same as always. But I'm working on that. So I just want to make a quick video about a new tip that I have discovered and I had to share with you guys. So let's see. If you guys don't know already, our friend here, Dan Hendrick, every Monday, he compiles all the information of Qlik that's happened on the week, be it some new Qlik videos, a new tutorial, some Qlik news, and it's very interesting, guys. So thanks a lot for our friend Jan Hendrick here. I will leave the link here right in the description for his profile so you guys can check it out. So here on this Notion file here, you can see the collections of every week of news. This week especially, something that caught my attention. It was a post here by Stefan. It's about some Qlik internal codes. As you guys know, Qlik has a lot of error codes, but most of the time it doesn't really help a lot. So I just want to share that, because I found this very interesting, and thanks a lot for our friend here, Stephen, for making this, Your effort is very much appreciated indeed. Well, guys, I know that was a very short video, but I had to share this with you guys here. I hope that you liked it, and soon we will have some news on the channel. Zapparoli, out!